Good morning, friends. This is an update on the development of Marz Guitar Workbench. I will release a new version uh, in few days. So this is an update of how is it going now. Basically, the Guitar Designer Workbench, you can install from the add-on manager as usual. So you just want to search here for Marz and it will be here. So right now is this version, but I will update in few days to the 1.0 version. Um, it's basically total redesign. I am just finishing the last bits, um, but this is how it works now. This is just a quick update. So right now, I'm not using the default FreeCAD property editor because it's too limited. So I have created a new editor for the guitar specifically. This is part of the new things. So you can open it here. So right now, instead of going to the properties of the instrument here, this is the old way of do that. Everything is read only right now, and you need to edit everything here. So this is the new guitar parameters editor. So the first tab shows you some quick reference information. So where is the main repo? Um, Now it depends on Curves Workbench. So it checks if the version is right for the new work. Also checks for a good version of FreeCAD. It requires 21 or better. There are a couple of links for the forums, this channel, the wiki, book tracking, and some notes about the support thing. There are now these tabs for specific parts of the guitar. So there is this body tab. It has the parameters related to the body. And here you can import the custom SVG shape. There is also a section for the neck where you can also parameterize the neck things and select the neck profile and things like that. There is the fretboard where you can set the scale, frets, and all these things. And also import the inlays, shapes, if you want, it's optional. The headstock, the same, the parameters, and custom shape, and the nut and bridge parameters. So right now is more easy and more organized here in this special editor. So starting from zero, so we have this empty file, so we can just do a quick thing. So first, we have these Inkscape shapes. You are familiar with this if you have seen the previous videos. So we have this body, we have this custom headstock shape, and we have these custom inlays. So we can use that. The way to do it right now is just in the body, import the shape for the body. So we here select the SVG file. It will be shown here, the preview, and it will show also the references that you mark it in the SVG file. It identify the paths and validates everything. Validates also the pockets. All this information is shown here right now, so you can check if you have any error or something. For the headstock, you can also import the headstock part. Okay, it's also imported and validated here, all the parts. And for the fretboard, we will import the inlays. Same thing here. So right now we have these custom shapes. We can customize any other parameter here. For example, for this, I want D this style, and we can do a quick check with the update draft. So it's very fast and shows you the guitar generated in 2D. So this is how the SVG files will be imported and accommodated in the guitar. This is very practical because it's faster to see that in 2D before running the full 3D generation that is a bit heavy. So here we can do quick changes and see the results very fast. For example, changing the scale of this guitar and update the draft is basically instantly change the scale of the guitar without waiting for all the 3D generation part. Um, we can, for example, change to 22 frets or something like that, and the change are basically instantly. So we can do all these changes, or we can just when we are happy with all the parameters, we can generate update 3D. It's longer, but it do the rest of the work and generate all the 3D models. Let's see. So it will start generating the fretboard, headstock, and all these things. Okay, so ready. So right now we have the generated guitar. We can hide this. Okay. So we have now the imported shape, imported headstock, inlays, etc. And the new thing, the neck surface with proper transitions now. So this heel is very ugly here. So we can fix that very quickly. For this specific design, I have checked that these parameters work. Something like 45 here, 25 here. Let's see. Okay, it's generated now. This can be changing your SVG file. You can update here to follow the generated heel shape. This is a user work. Okay, I changed it to 22 frets, but it can have more. So I think 24 will be okay. We can do those 2D quickly and see. Yeah, with 22 it will be goes is up to here. So we can check and do these changes before recalculating everything. For example, what happened if I said 28? I will see immediately that it will be fast. So we can just do the changes here. Okay, it's okay. Then we can generate 3D. It will be updated. Good. Okay. It takes about 14 to 15 seconds to generate the whole thing. You can just hide this, show only 2D, or hide this and show 3D. Okay, this is the current status. I will try to publish this version. I will not try. I will publish this version this weekend. It's my goal. Everything is working now. I'm just finishing documentation and cleaning up some part of the code and things like that. But this is basically what you will get this weekend. Thank you very much.